This is Minecraft's hardest prison, and I'm gonna attempt to escape it. This prison has previously been attempted by some of the smartest Minecraft players I know. But for the sake of my sanity, I'm only going to be attempting 3 rooms of this prison. When I first spawned in the room, the first thing that caught my eye was this weird honeycomb structure and a lectern. I looked around the room a little bit and realized that I needed 6 blocks to escape. After looking around for a bit, I looked inside the chest. Inside was 2 pieces of bamboo, 3 popped chorus fruit, 2 rabbit hide, 1 cobweb, and 1 copper block. Now I could craft the bamboo into sticks, but I saved it for later in case I could do something else with it. I couldn't. I then turned to the copper block ingots since I could turn it back anytime I wanted. I opened my crafting menu and saw that I could craft 3 copper rods, which meant I had everything I needed to get out. The crafting table, the chest, lectern, and 3 copper rods. But this seemed too easy. I checked around the room in case there was any string, and I was right. The 3 string hidden around the room. I turned my attention to this weird structure, thinking there was an item inside it, and there was a rabbit hide and an item frame. Then I broke the lectern to go out of the room, but to my surprise, there were shears and an item frame under it. And again, I found a rabbit hide while breaking the chest. I built up and went into the other room, and I knew this time it wasn't going to be so straightforward as the previous one. Now, the exit did not directly lead to another room. There was a short hallway with nothing inside. I rechecked the hallway just to be sure, and to my surprise, found a piece of string. I then headed into the next room. The first thing I noticed in the room was the armor stand and a sword. So I took the armor and the sword, wondering what it would do since I was in peaceful mood. I then collected the item at the other side of the room and turned towards this smaller room with a furnace and tinted glass. Behind the furnace was another piece of rabbit hide, and inside was a stick and a piece of coal. I then turned my attention to the tinted glass, and since there was nothing else in the room, I decided to break it. And I actually got the glass. Wait, what? I didn't know you could punch glass. Anyway, I now had everything I needed to escape the room, but I knew I had to smelt something and smelted everything that was smeltable. Yes, smeltable, that is a word. Nobody should complain about it. Anyway, after smelting, I ended up with 5 iron nuggets and made my way up to the next room. That is, after crafting 1 block of wool from the string I had. The next room was somewhat interesting. Right in front of me was a pattern of terracotta with 4 items, 2 bamboo, a rabbit hide, and a drip leaf. Now, just to be sure, I painstakingly broke every single block of terracotta and found nothing. I then spam clicked on the room just to look for any pieces of string and found 2 string in the corner. Inside the wall, there was chorus fruit and an item frame. I tried to take it, but disaster struck. The chorus fruit was stuck and there was no way to get it out. So I had to figure out a way to get it within 5 minutes or I would lose the item and this whole prison would be for nothing. I looked inside my inventory and then it clicked. I could make a fishing rod using 4 bamboo. I had to make sticks and then use the string. I pulled out the chorus fruit and then turned towards the furnace and crafting table. I ruled out the idea of trying to teleport to the exit because the chance of that happening was almost impossible. I then tried smelting everything I could and then it happened. I smelted chorus fruit into popped chorus fruit, which could eat purple blocks, which was just enough to exit the room and escape. That was it. We had beaten Minecraft hardest prison. Now, if you're wondering what these items are for, well, they are for the other rooms. As I said, I am only doing 3 since it probably gets more complex ahead anyway. If you enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like and subscribing. It's free and it helps out a lot.